We are honored to have with us today a distinguished public servant who was born in Culambugan, Lanao del Norte. He is a dedicated professional with a strong educational and service background. He holds a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering from Misamis University, which he earned in 1992. His career in the BFP has been marked by steady advancement, starting as Fire Officer 1 in 1998 and culminating in his current role as a fire inspector, which he has held since March 2025. Throughout his tenure, he has gained extensive technical and managerial expertise, completing significant training programs of this bureau that made him the current acting municipal fire marshal of Culambugan Fire Station, Lanao del Norte. Please join me in welcoming Fire Inspector Ronel O. Panyo, sir.
Thank you so much, Master Orne. Good morning, everyone. So our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Tradio, sir. So our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. So our Assistant Regional Director for Operation, Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Claiborne L. Salvania, sir. To other officers, non-commissioned officers, personnel, and other dedicated members of the Bureau of Fire Protection Team, a pleasant purposeful to all of you. It is always an honor to stand before men and women who have chosen a life of service, bravery, and sacrifice. Every time we raise our flag, we're reminded not only of our allegiance, loyalty, or commitment to the country, but also of our responsibility to uphold the ideals it represents through integrity, service, and excellence. Today marks our week of commitment to our mission, protecting lives and properties from destructive fires and other emergencies, whether it may be natural and man-made, medical emergencies, and health emergencies. Let us raise this progressing not just be a routine, but a reflection why we wear this uniform and why we respond to others who seek safety. As we begin this week, I encourage everyone to continue service with pride and purpose. Let's strive for professional growth, unity with our ranks, and continued excellence in the fire service. Let's also continue in strengthening with the communities we serve through prevention, education, and timely response. In the face of challenges, maybe disaster, race or deaths, may we always remember that we do not stand alone. We are one BP, one region, and one strong capable team. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin lahat, mabuhay ang BP, mabuhay ang Region 10, at higit sa lahat, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you, and may we have a safe and productive week ahead. Once again, good morning.
Thank you for that inspiring message, sir. At this juncture, may we call in our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Tradio, sir, to award the Medalya of Papuri to our speaker, to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10. Medalya ng papuri is awarded to Fire Inspector Ronel O. Panyo, Acting Municipal Fire Marshal, Kulambugan Fire Station, Lanao del Norte, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as troop information and education speaker during the traditional Mandi flag raising held on October 13, 2035. Signed, Romel C. Tradio, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.